It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back. I got Halloween behind me. It's all good. We got a little Halloween and Christmas going on at the same time. Oh my goodness, you guys. Who else is excited about tomorrow? Oh my goodness. I'm actually super excited. I don't know why. I got a lot of the stuff already, but for some reason, I'm excited about Christmas this year. I put my Harry Potter glasses on. These are from Pair Eyewear. I love them. Check it out. I go from black to Harry Potter. The link is below. With Queen Geeks 10, you do get 10% off. So I'm hoping to get some Christmas ones too. That'll be exciting. So, oh my goodness, where do I start? First thing, head over to Tessa's blog, Life Inside the Page. Link is below. She's got the scoop on everything. And I'm going to try and explain everything right now. So, tomorrow, in store and online, we should see Christmas release. Now, this is just like the first Christmas. It's like there's many Christmases at Bath & Body Works. This is going to be the first one, and it's going to include, I believe, 4, possibly 5 collections. We're going to go over all of these. My fear is we're not going to have a good sale on opening day. It's like football season. Opening, or baseball. I don't know my sports. I don't think we're going to have a great sale. It's probably going to be buy 3, get 1. You can use your app rewards. By the way, is anyone else's app not working? I cannot get my app to load. It just does the little spinny heart thing. I don't know what's going on. I might have to reboot my phone. I don't know what's going on. I can't get my app to load right now. So, we'll see. So, I don't know if there's anything interesting going on the app. So, we're going to go over the collections that you are going to want to start to think about. I know everyone's throwing a lot of scents around, like hot cocoa and cream. This is not going to be something that's released tomorrow. This is going to be something that if it comes out, it's going to be like way later. So tomorrow, first collection I want to talk about is the Storybook Collection. So right now, I have 3 of these. I don't know if there's going to be more in this collection. I would assume that there might be, because check these out. They look like kind of the holiday traditions. These are the less expensive ones. So the Mist is only $16.95. You'll be able to use your app rewards on these. So they do include Frosted Coconut Snowball. That's a good one. I did the Sun Notes yesterday. Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Freesia, Sunkissed Woods, and Spun Sugar. It's not my scent. It's a winter coconut scent. Bright Christmas Morning, which I need to do a first impression on. This is the Ripe Red Berries, Blood Orange, and Crisp Apple. This feels like it would work now. It smells like punch. I don't see this as like a super Christmassy scent. Kind of smells like Thanksgiving punch. It's not my favorite. But this year I kind of was appreciating that blood orange scent a little bit. I don't know if I'd wear that a lot though. It's a little bit pungent for me. And then we have our Jolly Gingerbread Village. I literally cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this, because I want everyone to smell that timber note. It's such an interesting scent. I don't know. A lot of people might disagree with me. A lot of people may be like, you know what, it smells like gingerbread. I get that interesting Yuletide timber in there. To me, it smells completely different from gingerbread latte. Gingerbread latte, to me, always smelled very brown sugar. It's got a lot of caramel in it. It's very creamy. It's not gingerbread latte. I also don't think it's spiced gingerbread and swirl. There's more gingerbread. In this one, like I said, this is an odd scent for me. I need to get the cream. I need to get the other versions of this. There's still a lot to be said about Jolly Gingerbread Village. So those 3 I would expect to see online and in stores tomorrow. Faceted Holiday Traditions Collection. I know a lot of people are excited about this one. These are going to be $17.95 on the Faceted. We have your Winter Candy Apple, the brand new Golden Berry Mistletoe, Vanilla Bean Noel, and of course, Twisted Peppermint. Winter Candy Apple's wonderful. It is the Red Apples, Winter Rose Petals, Candied Oranges, Maple Leaf, and Fresh Cinnamon. I love this every year at Christmas. Every year, I've been liking it more and more. This is like one of my favorites now. It's strong, too. You want a strong holiday scent? Go with Winter Candy Apple. There's a lot of cinnamon in here, though. So if you don't like cinnamon, there's a touch of rose. It smells good, though. Not a fan of Golden Berry Mistletoe. This, to me, smells like a fruity berry sap. It's like an odd pine cone note in here, but it's not pine. It literally smells like sap. Not a fan of this one. I do have it in the shower gel. I wasn't a fan in the shower gel. Vanilla Bean Noel, I have in the cream. Vanilla Bean Noel, to me, in the cream, smells stronger this year. I can actually smell it. I used this a couple times. I like it. Vanilla Bean Noel is one of my favorite scents, as long as you can smell it. It's not long lasting. It's just kind of the nature of Vanilla Bean Noel, but I like to reapply that one. I'm also seeing from Tess that Forever Red may be part of this collection at some point. We don't know, possibly later on the line. Let's see, the Beveled collection or the Tufted collection. So I'm going to put a screenshot up right here because I saw this in the store already. Champagne Toast, super pretty, the packaging. I gotta say, this is one of the prettiest Champagne Toast packagings I've seen in a really, really long time. But it's available. It's weird that that one came out. Also, in that same collection, we're going to have Dahlia, which I love. This is the Velvet Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Musk, and Whipped Tonka Bean. A lot of people were really sad when Dahlia went away. I'm excited. Oh, that smells good. I'm excited to see a repackage in Dahlia. We're also going to have You're the One. So this is the first time, I think it's red, that You're the One has been repackaged. I don't know what it's going to be price-wise, because this was pricey. This $17.50. This has gone up, though. This is an older You're the One. So You're the One. And then I think Dark Kiss is going to be in pink. Did I see pink? I don't know why I'm thinking pink. Dark Kiss has not been repackaged for a while. They did a slight repackaging that looked almost the same. I could barely tell the difference, but now it's going to be in this beveled, tufted collection that's kind of a take on the faceted. So a pretty bottle. I'm excited about that, actually. It's kind of funny how I don't think I have my fall collection in here. Do I have one of my falls? No. Oh, White Pumpkin and Chai. White Pumpkin and Chai. You know, we had that interesting leaf pattern this year on the fall stuff. So Bath & Body Works is definitely playing around with those interesting patterns on the bottles. It's funny, I was not into the faceted collection, but now, like, it's grown on me. I'm, like, so used to faceted. I like when they do a pretty label, though. The labels really make it. So we've got those collections. Then we have the Festive Forest collection. Festive Forest is actually going to be $17.95, a little pricier, which is interesting because I don't think the packaging is as nice as the Holiday Traditions Storybook Collection, but it's a little bit more expensive. Shower gel is going to be $15.95, but you don't get that pretty metallic lid like you do on these. Go figure. Also, look, metallic lid on Frosted Coconut Snowball. I like the metallic lid. It looks pretty. So I did get strawberry snowflakes already. The packaging's nice. But kind of like, it's not like over the top like blingy. Juicy strawberry, whipped cream, and iced bergamot. So this one smells amazing. It's like a strawberry whipped cream holiday dessert. Also in this collection, we're going to have Winterberry Wonder. That's coming back. A lot of people love that one. Snowflakes and Cashmere, and then Fairy Tale in the green. So Fairy Tale is, what are the scent notes on Fairy Tale? Pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and warm amber. The perfume is not coming back. This is just a repackage in the body care, but this is what Fairy Tale looked like in the perfume. It smells good. It's like a third cousin to Dahlia. We kind of thought like that was like a series, but it smells good. I always did like Fairy Tale. It's a deep scent. But again, it is a repackage. I was kind of surprised myself to see Fairy Tale and Dahlia come back in the actual like Christmas collections. I was surprised we didn't get something else new. So the only new ones we really have are the Jolly Gingerbread Village right now and the Golden Berry Mistletoe. Everything else is a repackage, which, I don't know what to think about that. It's kind of interesting that we're having all of these repackages. I don't know when the new aromatherapy is going to come out. The bright eucalyptus, oh no, Northern Brights is called, eucalyptus and pine. That could show up tomorrow. That is a possibility. I'm not sure. So those are the things that I think are going to be rolling in as like an early Christmas collection. Now, the question is, are we getting new candles tomorrow? That's what I'm actually not sure about. I feel like we just got a lot of candles recently. I mean, we got the hot cocoa and cream. We got a lot of the, the holiday ones. So I'm not exactly sure if we're going to be getting new candles tomorrow. That's the thing I'm trying to figure out. I haven't really heard anything. I did see like we're getting chocolate and orange. I did see those on Instagram, and Tess also had them up. So I don't know if like that collection's coming out, maybe in the single wick. We could see that. 'Tis the season. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about the possibility of a 'Tis the Season body care. Don't know when it's coming, but this is making me extremely happy to see that we finally might get 'Tis the Season in a body care. And like I said, we don't know when hot cocoa and cream's coming. There's going to be a lot of speculation between now and Candle Day, of course. And then, oh, here, I got to screenshot my champagne toast because I want to put this one up. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Why can't I screenshot this? Okay, there we go. I put that up on Instagram the other day. Like I said, the packaging is really pretty on this beveled, tufted collection, whatever they're calling it. So that's exciting. So also tomorrow, like I said, we could see new single wicks. We could see new 3 wicks. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure about that. Wallflowers. We could see more Christmas rolling in. Candle holders. I got the train already. That's been out for a while. There's no like big mystery on the train. Let me see if it's still up there. There's actually a new candle holder. It's like a Santa's sleigh. I don't even know. Is that even on yet? With like presents in the back. Oh, you know what? Oh, they did add something. They added the train topper magnet. Oh my gosh, I totally want this. And I don't even know why. I'm going to put a screenshot up. I think I'm just really into the train thing this year. But this is so cute. It's $19.95, but I totally want to get this thing. I don't know. I may splurge and get that. But yeah, we shall see. So anyway, hand soap. Are we going to see new hand soap tomorrow? Possibly. But it'll be interesting to do this with you because I'm not sure what's going to happen tomorrow either. Other than what I told you, that's what I think is going to roll out. So, Christmas, oh my gosh, rolling in as we speak. They're probably doing the floor sets tonight, which is exciting. Anyway, I will be on tomorrow at some point. May not be early, but I will be on talking about the Christmas rollout. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.